Hey guys, shoot a quick couple of videos here. I got a happy Easter weekend, everybody. First off, I'm at the shop Saturday. I took a break from the honeydews at home. I got to get a stand made up for Tuesday morning. Wednesday, we got quite a job to do. I'll try to get some video of that. But I'm at the shop Saturday. Happy Easter weekend. Real quick. These are magnets we slap on the trucks when we're looking for techs or installers. Seems to be the best advertising for us. We run an ad in the paper, and you get everybody and anybody with no experience. You get the same with this, but at least in your parts houses and stuff, you see guys maybe working the counter that want to get into the field, or guys that have been in the field that are working the counter want to get back out there, or even text other companies that might not be happy, and come over here. We got and I got ream. We used to be ream dealers. We're Ruud dealers now. So these are just magnets that stick to trucks or whatever, but I don't want to throw them away. But Dallas, I know you're a big ream. Maybe I can ship them down to you. There's 3. Actually, I got another one on the door out there. Go out there in a minute. But quick shop tour. It's a little messy. There's my welder. Got my compressor. Got my plasma cutter back there. Cover machines, a Stinger, APN single stage. We got the Pro Max. Those are great for R22, but they don't like 410A. APN, this is the G5. This one's a fast booger here, but it's a good one. What I gotta do, I gotta back my Tahoe out. But here's this one's no good, but this is an example of what I'm doing today, Saturday. But gotta make a stand. This is a 5-on-12 Ruud. That's what I'm doing. But what I'm doing different. This is a 47.5. I'm changing it to 47 3/4 by 52 3/4 because this is how normally we make it. The unit sits on top, lifts it up 1.5 inches. We need to get it down close to the roof, so we're flipping it over. So that's why I'm going an extra 1/4 inch all the way around it to give me an extra 1/2 inch, so the base of the unit will sit. So what I gotta do, get my leather gloves, my tape measure, and I have a soapstone somewhere, but it always disappears. But I gotta clean this out. Here's a plenum, my pipe threader. But okay, out here, yeah, there's the other ream magnet. But okay, I got my angle iron out here, and I got my cutter, my notcher, and bender. So let me get to work.